How to convert binary string to normal string in Python 3? For example, I have a string like this return value of subprocess.check_output. Whatever I did to it, it is always printed with the annoying b before the string. Does anyone have any ideas about how to use it as a normal string or convert it into a normal string?
Decode it. To get bytes from string, encode it.
If the answer from false true didn't work, you could also try.
Please, see official encode and decode documentation from Codex library. UTF-8 is the default encoding for the functions, but there are several standard encodings in Python 3, like Latin_1 or UTF_32.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.